Welcome to the backyard. I just ran back to the house to grab my phone because I came here just a little earlier to harvest some chrysanthemums, and I got a very pleasant surprise. I haven't been down here for 3 days, and look at all these chrysanthemum. How gorgeous is that? So I've been here twice for a chrysanthemum harvest. So I harvested twice already from these chrysanthemum plants, and I have dried them and have enjoyed some tea out of them. But look at all these gorgeousness waiting to be harvested again. Well, some of them have become a bit mature already, so I don't know how that will affect the flavor, but most of them are in their peak, so that's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and harvest these chrysanthemums, and I hope you watch my chrysanthemum tea video coming after this. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting my channel. This is Maya from a little garden up north. Take care.